lafiya? Sorry brother, me faru?
San ɗaukaka.
Me faru? Me faru? Sorry brother, inside life. Sorry brother, sorry. Jumo. Sorry, ba mun za a yi ba wai. Na ruwa me ya ba wai.
Wow, this is so touchy. Now put your hands together for her. Don't understand. Don't understand. Please let's applaud her once again.